Welcome aboard Bren, a 2008 Ranger Tugs 25-foot R25, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. So easy to use and fun to own, these highly sought-after Ranger Tugs give you exceptional cruising in an all-in-one trailable package. This Ranger R25 is sized just right to tow to your dream location or departure point, and large enough to enjoy once you get there. And the 8-foot 6-inch beam allows you to trailer her without special permit on the included easy loading custom aluminum trailer. A sizable full beam swim platform makes accessing the boat easy from the dock or from the water. Boarding the boat is easy, and the deep cockpit offers safety both underway and at anchor, and has plenty of room for chairs to relax after that perfect day on the water. The engine compartment is easy to access from a hatch in the deck of the cockpit. She is powered with a single and efficient 110 horsepower Yanmar Diesel engine. Moving forward, there is plenty of railings and grab handles to feel safe and secure while on deck. The radar platform lowers to provide extra clearance when the vessel is on a trailer. There is plenty of room on the bow to easily access and operate the Yanmar windlass. As with all Ranger Tugs, the Salon is full of natural light, and the efficient use of space means that the serious cruising couple will always be comfortable in the cabin or in the cockpit. To port is a midship berth that's under the dinette and comfortably sleeps 2 adults, or can be used for storage. Also to port is the dinette, and the forward seat can flip positions to face aft or forward. The fully equipped galley has a fabulous layout, also arranged for efficiency, and is extremely functional with ample storage in cupboards and drawers. This vessel boasts a panoramic view from the helm. From the helm, the Garmin chart plotter is easily viewed, and the vessel's controls are in comfortable reach of the operator. Maneuvering and docking are simplified and effortless with both bow thruster and stern thruster. The forward V-berth can comfortably sleep 2 adults and has a removable center cushion to expand the usability of this space. For owners or guests, this is the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. Moving aft, the enclosed head has a shower, sink, and Jabsco marine toilet. To book your appointment to view this Ranger Tugs R25, contact Little Yacht Sales.